At Trigger Interactive, all of our products are made right here in the United States by veteran-owned companies, including our electronics. All of our circuit boards are manufactured right here in South Dakota, not China. Our polymer housings come out of Texas, and our adhesives and labels are made in Minnesota. All of our devices are hand-built and tested in our facility before they leave the door. Here's a quick glimpse at how everything's made.
This is the very first step in the process with the microchips. Midwest Microtech is actually located in Brookings, South Dakota, so all of our electronics are made right here in the U.S. in the Midwest.
I'm Kent Cortan, plant manager here at Midwest Microtech. What we do is we take bare PC boards and we solder all the components on. We're a contract manufacturer of electronics. We will actually start off by putting them in a board destacker. As the next machine will actually call for a board, it actually will pick one up and feed it into this system here. This system here is a stencil printer. What happens is a stencil or a screen aligns with every spot on the board where we actually want solder to be. Pick and place machine is just exactly what it sounds like. It will pick all the components, the individual components, and place them on the board. Once that is cleared, it goes into our reflow oven. This is an 8-zone reflow oven. The solder becomes liquidous and solders every component onto the unit. After it comes out, it'll be on this collecting conveyor, and as you can see, those are all the parts and everything is soldered on. We will bring it over here to an AOI system. It automatically inspects every component on the board to make sure that A, it's there, B, that it has the correct polarity, C, that it is the correct part.
The final step is then cutting the individual circuit boards out from the blanks. Once the circuit boards are made, it's time to begin assembly. Metal support pins are first pressed into the housing. The battery and battery retaining clip are then installed underneath the circuit board. The circuit board mounts in place with 6 screws. An O-ring is installed on the servo housing to create a watertight seal, and the servo is then installed onto the upper housing cover. The antenna is then mounted in place. The antenna and servo cables are plugged into the circuit board and the 2 housing assemblies are aligned. Special tooling is then used to press the 2 housings together. The indicator mount is then installed onto the servo motor and torqued in place. The power and info labels are applied, followed by the Velcro pad. Once complete, all devices are connected into a mesh network using a control hub and tested using the Trigger Interactive app to ensure proper functionality before being packed up and shipped out.